Next, let's talk about division. Where multiplication is repeated addition, right? Division is repeated subtraction. We're asking the question, how many times can we remove an amount from another amount, and then what is the remainder? We get some additional information with division, but let me go ahead and show you an example. Okay. Let me get rid of these three. Again, division is repeated subtraction. So we can go ahead, we can remove. So it's how many rows of 5 can we remove from the overall amount here? So let's see here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. So there's our first set of 5. So that's 1. It's another set of 5. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. That worked out pretty well. So 35, you'll notice that I have 35 total blocks. That's what we picked up. 35 divided by 5 is 7. That's division, essentially division. Now, because we removed just the right amount of dirt blocks, that means that we can arrange these in exactly 5. So a row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then the rest of these are going to fit perfectly inside of here. And there we go. So 5 by 7 is 35. Let's maybe try to do this one next. So let's see how many groups of 7 we can remove from this clump of dirt blocks. Let's see here. That's 10. Did I start with that many? No, I picked up a couple extra. Let me get rid of these other 3. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, what's that one? 7. And then we had 4 left over. So we can remove from that block, we could remove a total of 7 rows of 7, and we would have 4 left over, which means 53 divided by 7 is 7 plus a remainder of 4. And which means we can arrange these, if we arrange these in a row of 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we go 7 this way, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to fill all of this and have 3 left over. Okay. We have 4 left over. Let's see here. Yeah, that makes sense. So 7 times 7 is 49, and we had 53. So 53 minus 49 is 4. So sorry about that. I gave the wrong information, but that's okay. We were able to check our work and verify that it's accurate and true. Now, what this means is when you're doing arithmetic, you can use Minecraft to help you do the arithmetic. You would be able to use Minecraft in a similar way to like a calculator, right? It's a little bit tedious. It requires a bit of work, but the idea is there. And if you prefer to come in here and do things in Minecraft, it makes a lot of sense to do so. You have to think about it. You have to think through the situation and the scenario. 56 plus 5 is 61, which means we have a total of 61 here. I'm going to go ahead and add one here. And then if we ask the question, so what is 62 divided by 4, for example? Well, what we would do is we would come in here, back in survival, and then we grab our axe, and we remove 4 at a time. So there we got 62 blocks. So let's remove, so let me go ahead and get rid of these, just so we can keep track a little bit better, a little bit easier. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 with 2 left over. So we just did 62 divided by 4. We have a total of 15 with 2 left over. In other words, when you're playing Minecraft, you are doing arithmetic frequently. And it's like a core feature of Minecraft to be able to do arithmetic. We'll get into more efficient ways, and there's additional mathematics that people do in Minecraft without even realizing that they're doing mathematics. We'll get into that in just a little bit, but I just wanted to reiterate, at this point we've gone through the main, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Each one of those has feature, like we can explore those features inside of Minecraft, each one of them. But when you're creating things, you're estimating, you're doing things just kind of out of the box. So the next video is going to be about estimation.